Hey girlfriends, it's Naturally Nell here. So today I wanted to show you guys how I wax my own eyebrows. So we're definitely in the midst of a pandemic, so there's a lot of things that you're gonna have to figure out how to do for yourself. So I wanted to show you all how I like to wax my eyebrows. When you're waxing your eyebrows at home, the first thing that you want to do is wash your face. I definitely recommend you doing eyebrow wax with a fresh face. That will reduce the amount of like razor bumps or bumps that you'll get on your eyebrows. And so I like to make sure that my face is freshly washed and good to go before I even get started with any waxing. In the midst of washing your face, go ahead and turn on your wax warmer, because for me, I like for my wax warmer to sit on for about 30 minutes before I even start to wax. I found that it really takes about 30 minutes to warm all the wax up within my wax warmer. Any shorter amount of time with that means that the wax is too cold and it really won't take off all of the hair on my eyebrows as I need it to. Now my face is freshly washed. I used the Aveeno Clear Complexion facial wash, and I also exfoliated with it with the St. Ives Fresh Skin Apricot Scrub. So those are the two products that I used. I didn't have any makeup on my face or anything, but that's what I used to wash my face today. I wanted to make sure that I showed you guys what my eyebrows looked like before I waxed them. And here they are for you to see up close. Now, I've been teleworking for the past month, and so during that time, I really haven't been going anywhere. I really haven't been seeing anyone. I haven't been putting a lot of makeup on my face or doing anything to my face other than washing it daily. So I kind of just let my eyebrows do their own thing. That's why they look as bushy as they do. So now I thought it was a good time to go ahead and wax them, since they've had about a month and a half or so of growing out, and they need a good shaping, and they also need to be waxed off. So let's get started. So you will need applicator sticks, some waxing paper to take it off, a spoolie, small scissors, tweezers, wax off, the wax warmer, and the wax. I got all of these products at Sally Beauty Supply store. I also like to break the applicators into smaller pieces just so they last longer. I mean, try to save some money somewhere. So that's one of my suggestions as well. So you want to give your eyebrows a bit of a shape up before you even put any wax on any sticks. So you guys can see they have no shape whatsoever. So you want to trim any lines or any hairs that fall outside of where you want your natural eyebrow to fall. So you can kind of see where that is. And so if you brush your eyebrows up, this eyebrow actually looks pretty good. You brush your eyebrows up and you'll see that there's some little hairs that are outside of where you want them to be. So just take your little small scissors and give them a cut. Okay, and so you'll do that all the way across your eyebrows. Also, if any of the hairs fall a little below where you want your natural eyebrow to be, go ahead and give them a little bit of a cut as well. Okay, we are going to do the first wax. One of the biggest things that I would suggest is you don't get too close to the eyebrow, because you'll tend to take off more hair than you wanted to. So start farther away first, and then you can work your way closer the more comfortable that you get with waxing your own eyebrows. So start at the bottom. And you want to make sure that you pull the wax away from the natural hairline. So when you pull it, you're going to pull it that way. So, okay. See? Alright, and you'll keep this up all the way around.
Hey, slow motion. Whatever you do, just do a slow motion. Whatever you do, just do a slow motion. Whatever you do with slow motion, pick it up now, Millie. Slow motion for me. Rock, pick it up now, Millie. Slow motion for me. Rock, pick it up now, Kodak. Slow motion for me. Black, pick it up now, Kodak. Slow motion for me. Black, pick it up now, hit them. Slow motion for me. Folks, pick it up now, hit them. Slow motion for me. Folks, pick it up now, Smurda. Slow motion for me. Dance, pick it up now, Smurda. Slow motion for me. Dance, pick it up.
It goes knock, knock, knock 'em out the box.
Whip, power whip, shop around the clock.
Pose in the VIP, paparazzi watch.
Bring it back like a Maserati drop. Drop, low and dip. Hands up, roll your hips.
Roll your hips, show the motion when you throw your fist.
Mike Jack aerobic kick. Moonwalk. Nene played a huge part.
Juju played a huge part.
Reverse Nation, Cali back to New York.
Down to the
Hey, hey.